So here's an Airbnb. When you get in, this is the living room. You guys follow my nails? But yeah, so this is the living space. It has like a nice little coffee table over here with a nice flower. It has a nice couch, comfortable couch. And we have this nice painting. And over here we have a shoe rack. Say hi. The door. You have a lock, secure. This painting. This. And over here we have another coffee table with a nice rug. Simple, nice rug. And over here, you guys feeling my nails still? Ooh, this nice space. Look at this. What's this for? Smell? Nice smell.
Why are you going into so many details?
Yes, you gotta let them know. This here, and over here we have a printer, Wi-Fi. Oh, we're gonna connect later. Then this section. Printer if you want to do any work, office work, school work. Then we have a little fireplace around here. Keep you warm. Birthday girl, 25 never looked this good.
I know.
Ooh. Okay, then over here we have a window. Then we have this nice something here. Ooh, come over to the dining section. Honey, look at this. How cute, gorgeous is this? Look at this. Yep, then that. Then out here shows the door. We're not gonna go outside. Here is the kitchen. You have a little bin over there. Then the cabinet. Oh, I'm feeling these nails. Cabinet. Then this granite, whatever to call it, counter. Correct me if I'm wrong. The kitchen is really just perfect for 5 people. And here we have nice stove where we can do all the cooking. Here, microwave, vent fan, cabinets, and we have a fridge that was still to stock up. But yeah, on to the next section. So here, walking down this way, you have another rug. You have storage, cleaning equipment. No, let's do this. It has like a nice sink. Nice displays over here. Here. Choose your own adventure. Follow your dreams. And this nice elephant. Storage. Oh, this is actually a washer and dryer, so you can do your laundry. Dry it over here. And here is the 2 beds. We have other people joining us tomorrow, so yeah. Here, and you have a TV, Wi-Fi, and walking. There's the bed. We just have a suitcase over here, and a couch, and a TV over there. I don't know over there. Over here. You just have like the side lamps. This way to the bathroom. Here's just a door. Not the door, what is it? Balcony. You can just sit and chill. Have a hot tub. You know. It's a good roof here. We'll take some. Adidas gang. You gotta show the whole outfit. Hi guys, so this is day 2 in Vegas and out here with my girls. What's your name?
Hi guys, I'm Sophia.
Look at this one.
B, the birthday girl.
Yes.
Yeah, about to go explore Vegas. Okay.